So this here is the switch sensor, and what happens is when you put the PS2 Slim lid down, the switch is pressed down, it's supposed to be, and that completes the circuit so it can turn on and spin discs. So just going to test a few different ways to mod this, I guess, so that it's always down. Kind of hard to see, it's not really focusing right. So on this one here, these two on this side and these two on this side are connected. So to sucks that you can't really see. To activate it, they have to all be connected. So one way to do that is to put electrical tape on the thing. The problem with this is it doesn't really stick enough. It actually popped up before, but you can try that. See there, I just lifted up. It's not really strong enough, but maybe worth a shot. The next one is flex tape, gorilla tape I think you may call it. Yeah, it says flex tape on this one, but I think sometimes they call it, yeah, this stuff here is called flex tape, but I think it might be called gorilla tape too. Same thing, but just cut off a piece of that and stick it down, and this one holds a lot better. It's actually quite hard to take it off. Put some on before, left it for about 30 minutes, and that's good. Okay, so now that we have the flex tape on, gorilla tape, we should have continuity between these two sides. So there we go, and that's been on there for about 20 minutes, so it seems to hold quite well. So if you got some of this stuff lying around, definitely give that a go. It seems to hold quite well, seems to be strong enough, and yeah. So another idea would be possibly some blue tack. I thought about some JB Weld. So electrical tape, flex tape, we've tried that. Flex tape seems to be the winner for that one. Blue tack maybe could be worth a shot. Not really sure if I have any lying around. Right, so another idea I've had is JB Weld on this, just a bit of JB Weld. I've heard the super glue trick, but I'm not really sure if I've heard it can run down in there and kind of interfere with the connection, so probably not worth trying that. I'm not going to try it, but another idea is just to solder this plastic, heat it up with the soldering iron and try and get it to melt together. So I'm going to give that a crack, and then yeah, we'll try something else after that. Okay, so I did that with the held the soldering iron on the switch and kind of pushed it down, and it seems to have melted it in place. So we'll see if it's done the trick or not by testing it with our multimeter. See if we've got continuity. across the switch. We do. There you go, that's worked. And that seems like it will be quite a good fix, like seems to like it would hold quite well. But we're going to try a few more ways anyway, just for the video. So what I'm going to do now is just snip the top of this off and see what's inside the switch. See if I can just fill this with solder. So I'm going to try that now. To try it is I'm going to take this off, I'm going to cut it. Just so I don't pull the pads up or anything. So I'm just going to cut like that. And then I'm going to run a jumper wire from one side to the other. So there's 4 pads there, and we need to connect maybe just one side because they're connected on both sides, so I might just need to run a jumper from one side to the other.